Hey, it's Harry here. How you doing? In today's video, I'm going to be going over the 6 best affiliate programs that you can get started with for 2019 and beyond. So in this video, I'm going to be going over what I feel are the best affiliate programs that you could, of course, join as an affiliate, and you could start promoting their products. So without further ado, let's get right into the list. So I'm actually going to go in the corner here. Let me move my screen over here. Alright, there I am. Alright, so the first affiliate program that I want to, of course, mention is ClickBank.com. ClickBank is a site that I'm sure you're very well familiar with. It's pretty much a marketplace that offers primarily digital products, and these guys have been around for a very long time. They're a very well-trusted brand in the affiliate marketing industry. To get started with ClickBank, you can pretty much just hit create account. You fill out some basic information. It'll ask, like your name, email, location, pretty much all that, kind of stuff, very basic information. But then once you have an account set up, you can decide to, log in, and then you can promote any of these products that they have available. So it's primarily digital products that they have. So this is like in the form of courses, ebooks, PDFs, trainings, videos, all that type of stuff. That's pretty much what ClickBank primarily has to offer. So to find products in ClickBank, you just go to Affiliate Marketplace, and then you could pretty much kind of sift through the different categories that they have available. So they got pretty much almost every niche that you could pretty much think of. Business related stuff. Cooking, food and wine, education, games, green products, health and fitness. I mean, the list pretty much goes on. With ClickBank, you can go through any of these, categories like, health and fitness, for example, and then you could pretty much look through the different, offers that are available. So, you could look through them here, and, for instance, if I want to promote say like the flat belly fix, I could promote that, and then at the, on average, I would expect to make around, $41 per sale that I, sell this product. So if I could sell maybe, 2 of these a day, that would be around, a little under $100 that, you could potentially make in a day with just selling this product alone. Now, that's just one example of, one product that's on here. ClickBank, as I mentioned, has been around for a very long time. They got lots of different offers you could choose to promote in multiple different niches. And if you want to promote a product, you just, you create an account, you hit the little promote button on whichever product you find, you type in your account, nickname, and then you could pretty much just generate a hop link. So, this would then be your affiliate link, where when you send people to that and they buy the product, then you would, of course, earn a commission on that. So that's pretty cool, right? So that is ClickBank. ClickBank has been around, for a very long time, as I just mentioned. And I think it is a very great place to start. The commission rates are, pretty good to get started with. Products are mostly digital, and digital products tend to pay out bigger commissions than, if you're promoting physical products. So that's why I personally recommend ClickBank, because, promoting digital products is a lot easier, and there's a much bigger earning potential with promoting digital products. So that's ClickBank right there. Next one is JVZoo. JVZoo is very similar to ClickBank, except with JVZoo, they primarily have software related products. I'll kind of go to Marketplace here, and it'll show a few products that they have listed here. So in the business niche, I can pretty much go into, and then it'll give me a little preview of what exactly is available. It looks like it's being a bit slow, but they got daily pips machine. They've got Forex Renko Zoomer strategy. They got Outreacher Pro. They got Price Action Society. Annual membership, and of course they show the prices here. Let's see, a whole bunch of offers that you could pretty much kind of look through. Again, JVZoo primarily has digital products, much like ClickBank, and with JVZoo, I'd say it's more software related products, primarily in more so in the business related niche. So products that are say sales funnel builders, tools for email marketing, stuff like that is generally what you could expect to find on JVZoo. I think it is a very great marketplace. Again, this one has also been around for a very long time, and they've got, they're very well trusted in the affiliate marketing industry. So you can look through JVZoo. You can promote pretty much any of the products that they have available. You can find whatever you feel you're interested in. You feel you get value out of. Personally, what I personally recommend is that regardless of what you promote, you always want to make sure that when you pick a product to promote, you want to make sure it's something that you truly believe in. You feel that it could really help your audience. You feel that it could really, that it really solves a big need, and that it's, in a big industry. So that's personally what I highly recommend going into. You never want to, promote things just for the sake of, just to earn a quick buck, because that generally will tend to backfire on you in the long run. But, you could promote pretty much anything on JVZoo. I think it is a very great marketplace. The next two I'll go over are what are known as affiliate networks. Now, the difference between an affiliate program and an affiliate network is that affiliate programs, it's generally, one marketplace where, they have, their own products available, whereas affiliate networks is essentially a company that, works with multiple different vendors, and, each of these vendors, of course, have their own, affiliate, programs that you could, of course, join. So, like, for instance, this one here, ShareASale, they work with different, vendors, Warby Parker, they work with Julep, it's a makeup company, they work with MLB, they work with, Jillian Michaels, The Real Deal, NBA Story. So, very well-known, trusted brands. And this is primarily, you're promoting more of, physical goods online. So anything related to, like home and garden, fashion, green products, business merchants as well. They pretty much got, different merchants within this, umbrella here. So ShareASale is a great platform to really explore yourself. Again, if you want to see, more of what they have to offer, you have to, of course, sign up for ShareASale yourself. You just click on this button, and then you can sign up to become a ShareASale affiliate. So that is ShareASale for you. You could, check that out pretty much. But the next one is of course, CJ Affiliate. Now, CJ Affiliate, is very similar to ShareASale. They were originally known as Commission Junction, but now they have changed their name to, it's just called CJ.com or CJ Affiliate. And, again, they work with, other, big companies on there. And you could actually choose to start your own affiliate program through CJ Affiliate. If you click on this Power of Affiliate button, you could actually choose to start up your own affiliate program, and I'll actually show you here. You could scroll down, and you could, where is it? Should be right kind of by the bottom. So you could actually, partner with the world's best brands, earn commissions by partnering with the world's most widely recognized brands, and successfully promoting their products and services. So that's a publisher. And then to become an advertiser, expand your brand's reach, drive more sales, and reward world-class publishers for successfully promoting their products and services. You can get started here as an advertiser, or you could become a publisher and then partner with, the brands that they are partnered with. So that is CJ Affiliate. I think that is another great option, although they're a bit more on the strict side. Generally, they will require you to have like a website of some sort, and so that they see that you are a well-trusted authority figure in whatever niche you are going into, because they don't want to work with just anyone and everyone, because the average person that gets into affiliate marketing is what they do is they spam their affiliate links out there, and they don't want to risk anyone getting in, and if people spam affiliate links out there, they do things the wrong way, it can kind of give them a bad name. So they ideally want to work with people that that know what they're doing and are actually experienced with affiliate marketing. So CJ Affiliate might not be the best option for you if you are just getting started, but it is still a great option to explore later down the road. Next one I want to discuss is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is actually a software that I actually used myself. It's pretty much a sales funnel builder where you build out your own sales funnels. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, it's pretty much almost like a website, but it takes your customers through a very specific linear process. So ideally, up front, your goal is to capture their emails. You bring them to a landing page, you start capturing emails, and then from there you could pretty much create like a thank you page, introduce yourself, share your story. You can create any sort of lead magnet. You can offer like a free ebook. You could offer a free PDF. You could offer some training for free, and then you could, as they're going down the funnel, they're going through a very linear path. Then you could pretty much offer your service, along the way, or whatever product it is that you are currently promoting. So ClickFunnels actually has one of the best affiliate programs out there. And what's great about ClickFunnels is that since it is a monthly subscription service, if you promote it as an affiliate and say you sign up a few customers to ClickFunnels, you refer new members to ClickFunnels, anyone that joins ClickFunnels through your affiliate link, you would then earn not only a commission for that upfront sale, but as they continue to remain a customer every single month, every single time they pay that monthly fee of $97 per month, you would earn 40% of that commission. So that would be around like $38 to $40. So it's like a 40% commission rate is what you could expect to earn with each ClickFunnels affiliate, each ClickFunnels referral, each person that you bring into the ClickFunnels membership program. So there's the $97 membership that you could promote, and then they also have a $297 membership as well, which offers of course more features. And then if someone signs up through your link, that isn't even that's like a bigger commission that you would of course get every single month. So ClickFunnels is actually really great for that. It's really great for earning recurring income down the road. If you can get a lot of people signed up for ClickFunnels, people that continue to use it every single month, it can be a really great way to earn a great side income, pretty much monthly recurring. So that's actually one of the benefits with ClickFunnels. But not only can you choose to promote ClickFunnels itself, ClickFunnels also has multiple. They also got other offers as well. They got the One Funnel Away challenge, which is pretty much like a day-by-day challenge that they go through, and it pretty much trains them on building up sales funnels. There is also if I look through here, they also got certain books that you could promote. They got the .com Secrets book, which I've actually have right here. I read that. I went through it. I think that's a really great book. You could promote that. You could also promote the Black Box, the .com Secrets audiobook, Traffic Secrets. They've even got the Expert Secrets book. I haven't got to that one yet, but I heard that one's also very good. Then they've even got funnel scripts, lead funnels. They've also got another book called Network Marketing Secrets. So if you are getting into network marketing Secrets is another really great book that they have that teaches secrets about network marketing and how you could really grow your business using ClickFunnels. So ClickFunnels actually has a very good affiliate program. They have I feel one of the best affiliate programs out there. And if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, you're looking to promote or sell anything online, ClickFunnels is really a tool that you should have in your arsenal anyway, because having your own sales funnel built up allows you to pretty much really sell anything much easier than if you were to just send people to your affiliate link directly. So ClickFunnels is definitely a must-have tool in your arsenal. I know there's other sales funnel builders out there, but ClickFunnels I feel is by far the easiest, most newbie-friendly one. And if you want to check out ClickFunnels for yourself, there will be a link somewhere below this video where you can get access to a free 14-day trial. But you can check that out yourself, see if you like it, kind of test out building your own sales funnels. But yeah, that's ClickFunnels. And the next one I want to go over is, of course, Amazon.com. Amazon has their own affiliate program. We all know what Amazon is. Amazon has been around for, well over 20 years. They've been around for a very long time. And at this point, they are pretty much the largest retailer online. And because of that, they also have the largest affiliate program out there. Now, not everyone knows this, but Amazon actually has their own affiliate program where you could market pretty much anything you could think of off of Amazon, whether it's, games, electronics, clothing, health and wellness, glasses, any of Amazon's products, pretty much anything you could really think of, off of Amazon. So what you could do is you can go to Amazon's site, you just scroll down to the very bottom, and there will be a link at the bottom that says Make Money with Us. So under this section, there's a link that says Become an Affiliate. So you just click on that, and this will bring up the page where you could sign up to become an affiliate for Amazon. It says right here, earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader. Now, 10% advertising fees isn't, the most attractive, most appealing thing, when it comes to affiliate programs. Compared to a lot of other affiliate programs out there, 10% really isn't that much, but it is still a great option to consider if you, I'd say this is primarily for if you have, like a website of some sort, like a blog, or if you've got like a YouTube channel in a particular niche, like if you've got, like a channel that talks about, like tech or like computers, and, you've got a huge following, this could be a great way to pretty much recommend products to your audience, whatever laptops you recommend or whatever it is that you're promoting. And anytime someone, that watches your video or reads an article that you, written, and they want to check out the products and services that you recommend, they click on your affiliate link, they go to Amazon, and anytime they buy a product, you of course earn a commission from that. Now what's great about Amazon is that when they click on your link, they don't necessarily have to buy that exact product that you recommend. Anything they buy within 24 hours of clicking that affiliate link, you would pretty much earn a commission on that. So even though 10% isn't that much, because it's Amazon, it's the biggest, online retailer out there, people shop on Amazon like crazy. It's like, they're almost like, they almost can't resist wanting to buy things off of Amazon because it's such a powerful brand that so many people are just addicted to buying stuff off of Amazon. It's very convenient. You just, search up whatever product you want, you order it, and it just ships right to your door. So that's why Amazon is a great affiliate program to really consider down the road. I don't recommend promoting any of their products, with like paid advertising. This is generally something that you would want to have a big following for, and whether it's on YouTube, a podcast, website, anything like that, even on Facebook. This is what you would ideally want to have in place to really consider, getting some good income with Amazon's affiliate program. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this. And also let me know if there's any other affiliate programs that you might consider adding to this list. I know there's a whole bunch of other ones out there that I didn't mention. As I could pretty much go on like forever, and this video could be like, like an hour long of me just going over different affiliate programs. But I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn how you could truly do affiliate marketing full time, you want to learn how to build an entire business around this concept of affiliate marketing, there will be a link right below this video. We can get it should be the first link right below this video, and that'll give you access to my free training that I put together. That is a 4-day training that I put together, and it pretty much goes over the 4 main components you must have in place to really get long-term success with affiliate marketing. So be sure to check out that training there. Again, it's training that I pretty much created myself. You can go through it. You can watch the videos. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this, and take care.